Hello, let's explore some more selection options HySelect offers. A very interesting one to facilitate your selection work is the batch selection. This is to be used when you or the customer has created a list of information. You'll notice when clicking on batch that some product icons darken. This is simply because the batch selection is only available for a limited amount of products. I'd like to select STAD in batch as an example today. On the left side, you see a similar control pane as for individual selection. But now you will need to enter which kind of valve you'd like to select for the N size up to the N50 and which kind above this value. You'll also need to check or uncheck the DP box. If you have complete information with DP calculation of the valves, you can add a differential pressure. If not, HySelect will calculate, depending on your preset for differential pressure in the technical parameters, 3 kPa in my case. Okay, you see that HySelect is presenting a fixed table. Ref1, Ref2, flow and differential pressure when DP is checked. The status will give you information after selecting. Make sure your Excel file has approximately the same structure. A reference, then both values for flow and DP. Simply copy and paste, click Suggest. Notice the check marks and the red marks popping up. You see, when hovering over with your mouse over the red mark, that there is no solution for this flow rate. You will see that HySelect suggested products for all other rows. When you would like to see more information, click right and select the information you'd like to see in the list. Double-click on one line to change the selection, click Apply to save. After clicking Validate, you will find the results in the Results tab, structured in the way you know from before. Direct selection. If you like to go straight to the point, the direct selection mode is tailor-made for you. The idea here is that you know the product you want to add to your list, and there is no presetting to be calculated. Enter the article number or search for the products by scrolling down in the list. On the left side, you see the product categories. In the product screen, you see the product with its compatible accessories or actuators. Imagine you would like to know which actuator is compatible with modulator DN50 and if you need an adapter. Click Select, the selection screen pops up, you can add references and a remark, and you will find the result in the Selected Control Products tab with From Direct Selection as an indication. If you would like to store your selection, you can simply change the project name and save it to a location of your desire. HySelect will save the project as a .tsp file that can be opened by any HySelect version.